In the 1970s, schools took years to complete and were built using bricks, mortar, and other expensive construction materials. In the 80s and 90s, Florida's population boom created an overcrowding problem throughout the state school districts. Fast forward to 2002, Florida voters passed an amendment limiting the number of students in each classroom. This, along with increased enrollment and hurricane damage, put enormous pressure on districts to create more classroom space immediately. The answer to all these problems came from a builder named Wally Sanger, and thus Royal Concrete Concepts was born. School systems are dynamic environments. Student enrollment changes, usually increasing or shifting from one end of the county to another. Many schools are overcrowded the day after they are built. This leads to massive purchases of portable classrooms, which litter school landscapes throughout Florida, while school districts wait for more expensive permanent structures to be built. The Royal Concrete Concepts building system solves the problem of portable classrooms by replacing them with permanent yet relocatable classrooms. The Royal Concrete building system can withstand a Category 5 hurricane, which means it can stand up against winds in excess of 155 miles an hour and deflect debris flying at 85 miles an hour. During Hurricane Wilma in 2005, which was only a Category 2 storm, over 500 school buildings in South Florida suffered substantial damage. In Palm Beach County alone, estimates put the cost of repair at $39 million. Many of these schools have been closed for good.
These storms are just going to become more intense. We've got 20 to 25 years of very intense storms coming our way. We would be better prepared if buildings were constructed to withstand these forces.
Our children deserve to have a dependable and safe learning environment in which to learn. We are proud to say that during the 2004 and 2005 hurricane seasons, not one single Royal Concrete building was damaged. Royal Concrete Concepts' unique patented building system utilizes polystyrene, reinforced steel, and concrete to create a lightweight yet extremely durable structure. This process combines strength and safety in a way that conventional methods do not. Educators face the dilemma of building classrooms fast enough to accommodate growth. Traditional construction does not address this problem, often taking 1 to 2 years to complete. Using our patented building system, Royal Concrete Concepts is able to complete 96% of the construction for your new school at our manufacturing plant, minimizing disruption to existing school campuses. At this point, the entire school system is transported to the construction site. Then, according to your specific site plan, each module is carefully assembled using our patented lift from the roof technology. Your new school is pre-wired for communications and comes equipped with whiteboards, cabinets, air conditioning, and restrooms. With Royal Concrete Concepts, the entire process of ordering, manufacturing, delivering, and setting up classrooms can take as little as 3 months. Plus, when student enrollment shifts from one school to another, the modules can be disassembled, transported, and reassembled at any location where classroom space is needed.
Schools don't always get larger. Sometimes as demographics change, schools get smaller. As neighborhoods mature and children leave, they move schools all the time, or they have to build new schools and tear down old schools. But what's nice about our product is as demographics change, our schools can be actually moved.
After the modules are delivered to your site, your school can be ready for students in just a few weeks. Our buildings are set at ground level, so there's no need for expensive ramps per ADA requirements, saving time and money. Districts can now order complete wings and even entire schools using the concrete modules. They can be placed on top of one another to make the best use of limited campus space. Any design concept can be incorporated into your existing site plan. You can also add covered walkways, stair and elevator modules, or choose from a large selection of DCA-approved plans. In Florida's Indian River County, Royal Concrete Concepts use the Royal Concrete Building System to create 13 new classrooms and labs, 2 locker rooms, 2 group restrooms, and an administration building for the Gifford Alternative Learning Center, which was destroyed in the hurricanes of 2005.
This is the way to go. You save money. The total cost of this project was about half of what a normal, if you will, school of this type would have cost if we used ordinary bricks and mortar construction. But the most important thing was the time frame that it got done in.
While they initially cost more than traditional portables, the Royal Concrete Building System generates huge savings to the school districts over its 100-year life cycle. Not only are utility costs much lower due to our construction process, but our buildings are designed to last much longer than portable classrooms.
I've been teaching 17 years, and half that time has been spent in portables. I really like the Royal Concrete buildings because they're bright, they're comfortable, and it's just a beautiful classroom to be in. And it's a place where the students are comfortable and they can learn.
Another benefit of our design is enhanced noise control, minimizing exterior distractions, which improves the environment for learning. Our buildings are virtually maintenance-free, and all come with a 20-year structural warranty. Education may be one of the greatest challenges of this century, and providing an enhanced learning environment that is safe, comfortable, and cost-effective is critical in helping teachers empower today's students with inspiration for tomorrow. Royal Concrete Concepts builds permanent yet relocatable classrooms and schools for the ever-changing landscape of today's educational needs. For a site tour or presentation, please contact Royal Concrete Concepts.